Hi there, today I'm going to show you a way where you can start a YouTube channel without ever buying Lego. Some people are ambassadors, they can get Lego that way for free, and some have the funds to be able to buy it. But if you can't buy it, or at least at the start, how do you do it? Well, I'll show you how. If that interests you, it's coming up right after this. Okay, so first of all, you need to download Studio.io from Bricklink. This is it right here. Just type in Bricklink Studio. And you go, usually it's the very first one, you go there. And you hit this. I've already downloaded it, so I can cancel it. So it'll give you the newest version. And then next you'll go ahead and start it. I have it right here, so let that start up. Takes a minute. Your computer might be faster than mine or slower, it just kind of depends. You do need a pretty good video card for this. So I tested this all out, so I'll go ahead and start from the very beginning here. Okay, this is how it should be loading. So it's like this. And what you do, you just pick any set you want, and you can go to lego.com and first download the instructions that you want, and then take note of the set number. You usually need the set number in order to download the instructions, or at least the name. But usually it'll have the set number there. You just copy and paste that into this. This is what I'm going to show you. So what you do, let's see, I think it's something, the camera. You import, if it'll cooperate with me, official, you put the number right here. Now, Studio does not support the copy and paste, at least in this part anyway, but you can hit Control V for paste and Control C for copy. Once you copy it from lego.com, you just hit Control V, it'll copy it in here, hit import, and you should get something like the retro camera. You'll get this right here. You'll get all the pieces. Depending on your settings, you can also have it where it's already here on the palette itself, or you can have it where it's just the parts itself and nothing else. I have where it's the parts because it gets kind of confusing having the parts over here and over here. So what you do is you now open your instructions like this. Mine are in D. Lego instructions, and I have them all situated in here. So it's the one I'm looking for is a 3-in-1, the retro camera. I'm going to actually build the video camera, so I'll open that up, and it looks just like this. So that's what you do. You just scroll down, and you begin building on Studio. And I'll be doing that here next. Okay, so here's Studio, and I have the instruction book on my other monitor. So I have that up there, and you scroll through. It looks just like the regular book. So I'm going to start building this one and show you how well this actually works for you. And what you would do is you would video this, like I'm doing right now. You can do that with OBS Studio, which is probably the best one. That's what I use. It's free. You can download that. Just type in OBS Studio, and you can configure it to get your screen. And it's just like you're building it in real life. So they're all in You can have it in the order of type, or you can have them in the order of colors. So sometimes it makes it easier to find parts this way. This is the way I kind of prefer it, because you can actually click the color you want. Right now I'm looking for light bluish gray for the very first step here. So we go through. Doesn't always work, but there, I think that's it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yeah, the 12. So this is what we need right here. We put that down. We're looking for a brick, the same color, which is right here. This is what the instructions are instructing me to do. Stick that there. Right click to cancel it. That we only have one. You can also move it around. Just pretty much in real life. One big pro about this is that if it gets not retro, but repetitive, you can actually copy and paste your parts. You just build it to the side, copy it, put it where it needs to be, take the other one, put that where it needs to be, and just keep doing that a little bit faster. This does take a little bit longer than actually building it in real life, but at least you can make your video of you building it. So let's go ahead and continue on here. I need that one. Cancel that. And it takes out your parts as you use them. And we want to turn this one. So you just hit the arrow on your keyboard, turn it like that. Put it where you need it. Right click to cancel the thing out. You do that to turn it. And there is step 2. Now we're looking at step 3. We need 2 of the angles, which are also silver. These right here. There are 3, yep. Turn that the way we want. Right up against that one. Now because we need 2 of them, we just keep it on there, just turn it again. We need 2 of them going 2 different directions. Cancel it. Now we're looking for light blue. This medium azure right here, actually. That right there is what we need. It just happens to be in the right direction. That's step 3. Continue on to step 4. So see, it can be, some sets can be pretty fast. Some can take a while. I'm actually doing the museum this way too. I'm also doing this one. So some of them can take a while to do, especially museum. Bigger sets like that will take a while. Smaller sets, they're pretty slow. But, you know, they're still faster. The more pieces you have, the longer it's going to take. So you have to be pretty patient with this. But you can videotape your whole entire thing, and then, because I'm going to stop here in a second. Black is really, one thing is black is very hard to see on these. Tell what it actually is. So depending on your monitor, it gets pretty, there's what I'm looking for. It gets pretty hard to see them sometimes. Anyway, you get the idea. That's step 5. You can also save it. Save as. And I'm going to save it over that one because I want to continue later on. So yeah, that's how you do it. And then you can also say I want to get a picture of this. I want to do it like step by step or something like that. Each step you can I wouldn't suggest doing that because these do take a long time to render. And what you do is you render the image, and here you can zoom out, zoom in. You can make instructions also if you want to. I mean, you already have the instructions, so you can make your own instructions like for mocks or whatever. But once it's finished, you can take a picture of it. You can do it in any angle you want. You know, you can do it flat like this, or an up view, or you just hold your mouse button, your right mouse button, and you can scroll it like this. And these are the settings I like to use. I like to use medium. If you have a really high video card, you can use high or very high, but keep in mind it does slow it down. It'll make it take a lot longer to render. So medium is pretty much the best part. You do a floor shadow, you know, where it shows it down here. It'll be a shadow down here. I like to post it on a white background, so I make it transparent so I can put on any background I want. I can choose my background in Photoshop or whatever. Just do my background myself, whatever color I want. So I do transparent. But if you do shadow, it's going to be very hard to get it out. It won't be completely transparent. And the rotation's correct. I want in PNG, which is best because that supports transparency. And I do photoreal, so it looks just like a photo. So that works really good if you have a full building or something like that built, it's completely finished, you want to get a picture of it, and you hit render. You also tell it where you want to save. I'm going to save it to my desktop, just for right now. It goes by the name of whatever you saved it as, hit save, and it starts to render. I sped this up 4 times, so that'll be a little bit faster for this video. Now you'll notice in this that you see the time that it's supposed to take, and the percentage, and the time that's passed. It's not entirely accurate, so I usually pay attention to the percentage. That seems to be more accurate. Now it's rendering the black, which is what's going to be the transparent background. You'll notice it's going to take a little bit more time, even though it's not accurate. It'll be a lot faster when it says up there on top. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video. Bye for now.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.